Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and verifying the current key in the LCD header so you know your baseline. Next, enable the chord track from the track menu. This is the control center for key changes. Once done, set the project key in the header or by inserting chords on the chord track. Also, make sure Apple loops have follow tempo and pitch enabled when you plan to transpose loops. That keeps them musically consistent. Now you transpose individual tracks with precision. Select MIDI regions and use the Region Inspector's transpose field to move by semitones. This preserves MIDI note integrity. For recorded audio, open the audio editor and apply pitch shift or switch to flex pitch for transparent to detailed adjustments. Once done, inspect virtual instruments. Some have their own transpose or tuning settings inside the plugin. Make sure those match the new key, so synths and samples sit correctly in the mix. Finish by playing the entire song and adjusting the chord track so harmonic moves are logical. This prevents unexpected dissonance. Once satisfied, bounce stems to confirm the pitch translates into exported audio. If you hear artifacts or phasing, undo or back off the transpose and try smaller semitone changes, alter time stretch quality, or use flex pitch for surgical fixes. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.